If you really want to speak English fluently, without stopping, without hesitation, without fear, then give me just 5 minutes of your time. I'm going to share 5 simple steps that will completely change the way you speak English. No grammar books, no memorization, no boring lessons. Just simple truth. Let's begin. Step 1. Stop learning grammar. Yes, stop wasting your time on grammar rules. You don't need grammar to speak fluently. Think about it. When you were a child, did you ever study grammar before speaking your native language? Of course not. You listened, you copied, you repeated, and your brain learned automatically. Language is not built on rules. It's built on rhythm, sound, and emotion. So stop waiting for grammar to make you fluent. Start speaking. Make mistakes. That's how fluency begins. Step 2. Don't memorize words or sentences. Many teachers tell you to memorize 10 words every day, but that never works. Why? Because a single word has many meanings, and when you learn it alone, your brain has no idea how to use it. You forget it the next day. Instead, learn through context. Watch short English videos, read small stories, listen to podcasts or songs. When you see or hear a new word in a real sentence, your brain connects it naturally. You don't need to memorize. It stays automatically. So remember this. Don't memorize English. Experience English. Step 3. Connect your words. Native speakers never speak word by word. They connect everything together. They don't say, I am going. They say, I'm going. They don't say, I will do that. They say, I'll do that. This is called linking. It's what makes your speech smooth and natural. When you practice, don't try to pronounce every letter perfectly. Just copy the way natives speak. Repeat what you hear exactly as it sounds. Fluency is not about perfect pronunciation. It's about rhythm, connection, and flow. Step 4. Don't try to be perfect. This is where most learners give up. They want to sound perfect from day one. But language doesn't grow in a day or a week. It grows slowly, naturally, with practice and time. So don't push yourself too hard. Don't say, I must become fluent in 10 days. Instead, speak a little every day. Watch, listen, repeat, and enjoy the process. Every time you speak, you'll get better. Every mistake will teach you something. Just go with the flow, and soon you'll feel confident, comfortable, and proud. Step 5. Never force memorization. Stop trying to remember everything. When you force your brain, the information stays only in temporary memory and soon disappears. But when you learn naturally by listening, speaking, and reading, it moves into your permanent memory. That's the secret. Don't force it. Feel it. Live it. So take it slow. Stay consistent. Trust the process. Follow these 5 steps, and I promise your English will change forever. You'll speak confidently, naturally, and fearlessly, just like your own language. Now, tell me, which of these steps are you going to start from today? And if you want more tips like this, don't forget to subscribe and keep learning every day, because your journey to fluent English starts right now.